I went to a moving sale and I saw this sitting in a box full of cables, and I asked how much, and the fellow said $2, I think. I think that's what it was. Yeah, $2. So I got a bunch of computer monitors, and I like to hit a switch and have all the monitors go off, and I'm going to use that for that, right? No big deal. And then I saw this laying out, and I was showing you recently how there's a room that's being cleaned up in storage, and I think the name of that room is going to be the greenhouse. So I saw this and I thought, you know what, this is very ornamental, kind of cool. I'm going to hang something off of this. It's going to be very greenhouse. I had to have that. I'm trying to think of what that, I've seen those before. I don't know what they were used for. Alright, now I paid $12. How is it that I paid $12? Well, the secret is I go to neighborhoods that are pretty well to do. This one in particular is full of these houses that have been around a long time. This is old money in this neighborhood, and when someone's moving, they are basically, they're not too worried about this little trivial stuff. The fact that they're having a moving sale is kind of funny, because this is a class of people that have a lot of stuff done for them. This isn't just a wealthy neighborhood. This is a very well established wealthy neighborhood. And it was an early Saturday morning. It was very cold, and I was almost the only one there. I always go on my best behavior. So, what else did I get for $12? You tell me when to stop. I like these things. I don't know how to do it, but it can be done. Your computer controls the light. You can get with the times. I'm always behind the time. I saw this. I can always use these. And this one's pretty cool. It's made in the Philippines. I have a friend that's made in the Philippines. And I think, who is it? Who's the name I'm thinking of? He lives in the Philippines. Danny Days is gonna know. All the names escape me. My apologies. I have a good memory, but it's short. Notice some of these houses. You get the idea. People aren't going to worry about a little extension cord in a house like that. Now, I also got this. Still $12. Remember, tell me when to stop. All this for $12. And then, if that's not enough, there was one more thing, unless I'm missing something. There was one more thing that I'm going to show you later on in the video. And you're going to go, no way. And I'm going to say, way. That's how I got it. Let's play the video a little bit. Look at some other tools and stuff. And at one point in time, you will hear what I got. And it was all included in the $12. And by the way, these are the batteries for what I got. That's your one clue. Remember the $10 set? I arranged everything. Those are the missing pieces. This one here worked for me on these, and I was able to take this apart and figure out how the front comes off. And I got this machine working, which is good because I'm really short on washing machines. Normally I have like 2 or 3, and I'm down to no spares. So this one will go, there's a family that needs it, and I'll get it to them next week. But good thing I had the $10. It wasn't so much the tool, it was that all of this is arranged, and it was right where I needed to find it. It was very, I country miled it. I country mile garaged it.
Let's get into this.
Oh, muy bien. It's working. It's a cloudy day, but that brings out the yard sailors. Take a look. Fiberglass handle, 75 cents. Coal shovels, those are my favorite for whatever kind of cleaning. Where's this one made? Take a closer look. It's made in aluminum. You see that? No, 75 cents anyway. Those are my dust pans. And then I got this for 25 cents. It's designed for a ridgeline. It's a little lighter weight. Made in USA. This was 10 cents. I had to buy it because it's USA. And look at this. American made flag. Toilette seat. I never knew this existed. Look. Toiletseats.com. Interesting. I have to look into that. Look through it. That was $1. Still new in the box. You definitely don't want to be working on some piece of china when you're doing some serious work. Imagine having a equipment malfunction at a time like that. And then I think the big catch was this 1981 Coleman. Can you hear the rain starting?
GoPro, stop video. GoPro, stop video. GoPro, stop video.